This is the Trade Father along with Koki.
How's it going?
All right, we're here to talk about some trading enhancers which should be used when looking for a high probability entry area. After finding the entry area on the trading time frame with the ATR, unfilled orders, and trend, we look to see if the entry area has confluence with the intermediate and higher time frames and balanced with the US dollar and also having confluence there.
So how do we do that?
Now we find the trading time frame level that is going to be used by the intermediate time frame traders when we look to the intermediate time and higher time frame to see if that level is inside the levels on the other time frames. Now in the previous video we talked about how we did not have confluence here between the 4-hour and the daily. Now the best scenario would be if the US dollar, if the New Zealand is going up into supply, we'd like to see the US dollar going down into demand. All right, if the entry area is balanced with the US dollar, the trade will be a higher probability and lower risk. When the dollar is in an entry area and the currency pair that is being traded is also in an entry area, then the trade is balanced with the US dollar.
So what do you do if the USD index is not balanced with the currency?
Well, here's a very good example. Now we have downtrend with a setup on the New Zealand dollar on the 4-hour, and on the US dollar, we also have downtrend with a setup. So ideally, we would like to see what? The dollar going up so New Zealand can go down. Now here, we don't have confluence with the US dollar, so it's not balanced. Okay, in this scenario, then New Zealand is actually what? Stronger or weaker than the dollar? Well, it's going down against the dollar, so it's actually weaker than the US dollar. So we're not balanced. They're both trying to go down at the same time. Now, if this trade is not balanced with the US dollar, then the trader should look for a currency pair that may be balanced. For every pair that is being traded, there is another pair that is moving in the opposite direction of the dollar. This is the same trading idea from the currency strong versus weak video. When the currency pair being traded has strength, or is the currency in play, the qualified entry level will be taken more quickly.
I like that idea.
Well, this video will help traders make money because the entry level has a higher probability of reacting when the currency pair is being traded is balanced with the US dollar, has strength, or is the currency in play when the entry level is high probability and lower risk. I'm glad you like that idea. Now please click on like if you learned something or subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you have any questions or comments, please email team@GrowAPairAndTrade.com.